I got home. I found this just on my desk. It should have been in my bag. Somebody's fucking moved it. I know it was in my bag. I know it was in my bag. It's been in my bag every time I've checked since I got it. So I don't know why it's been put up here. But if I open this, whoever's done this has left us a little note. Very obvious. It says, "I'm in your blood, Trevor." And then this. So, make that what you will. I mean, I don't really know what this really means or anything. I'm not an English person. I don't look for meaning in stuff, but I can kind of tell the implications of this. That means we're all being controlled by something. I don't know what. Who's using that? I don't know what's happening anymore. I've the weird phases I have where I turn into this guy. They've stopped, but as you can probably hear, I don't feel the best right now. So if you're hearing this, please. I don't know how much longer I can really stay doing this and running away from people and waking up in random places, chained up to God knows where, only for my friends to come and find me and say that I got fucking kidnapped. I know whoever's doing this. I know you know who I am. You're probably listening to this. You probably bugged my room or something. If you are, you can fuck off. I'm not gonna sit around and let myself get killed by somebody without seeing who they are. I want to know who's making this, or what's making this. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna make you pay for everything that you have fucking done to me and my friends. I'm gonna make you stop doing all of this. Stop making whatever that god-awful thing is that you're making, that's making us have these weird spasms where we run around with masks on and do horrible things to people for, I don't know, God knows why. I'm gonna fucking kill you. So if you're watching this by some miracle, if you found our channel, or if you're waiting in my closet or under my bed, I'll be ready.